casts. Caught 2 fish. Or I lost that one at the boat. I was trying to get my GoPro, but that's crazy though. Like, my drag slipped on that hook set too. What the flip? So yeah, that's that fish, guys. Let's let him go. That was crazy though. 2nd cast. I don't know if you guys remember, I came here at this location last year for the bluegill spawn. I forgot my sunglasses. Oh, I forgot my sunglasses, and so yeah, we're ripping with no sunglasses today. But took 2 casts. Took 2 casts and hooked up to 2 fish. So I don't know. Makes you wonder if I got lucky or if this day is gonna be like fire. And it's really late too. So on the graph, it's literally 6:50 and 71 degree water. So I don't know, because I'm way up north, right? And I don't understand how the water got so warm so quickly. Like, that's crazy. I'm just using a BooYah jig. This is actually ridiculous. I'm in shock right now. All right, well. Alrighty, guys. So, in the time that it took me to switch up my GoPro or start charging it, I mean, my dad caught 2 fish. So we're both even now. See, guys, I could honestly probably get away with top water right now because the temperature is 70 degrees. And if you know anything about bass and bass spawning, they spawn in 65 degree waters. So basically, I don't know what happened. 2 weeks ago I came here and it was 45 degree water and it was horrible. It was cold. It was horrible. Now, 2 weeks later, this is Memorial Day weekend. It's Thursday. 70 degrees. It is Thursday, May 21st, 7:13. And yeah, this is starting to become a little bit of a this is a good day. The wind noise is kind of bad right now, guys. Congratulations, you caught the smallest fish. Oh, I have one.
But I'm officially
got him. This doesn't feel like a bad one. It's because he got hung up in the weeds. Well, caught my 3rd fish of the day. Right there on that swim jig yet again. He's a little guy. We are crushing him out here though. Got another one right away. This doesn't feel like a bad one. This isn't a bad fish. Oh, he got out. Every time they get in the weeds. Well, that's number 4 for me. He's a chunky one. There's another one right there. Not a chunky fish. Three casts in a row. That was 3 casts in a row, guys. Another one on the swim jig. Check that out. Another one. I got 3 fish and 3 casts. Oh. There's one. It's official. I am starting to slay them. I've lost track already how many fishes. There's another one right there. Just another little squeaker. Yeah, I just caught another one. There we go. Oh, right there. Another little largie. I've been fishing for probably 20 minutes. And I've already caught double digit on my fish. There's another one right there, guys. Yeah, all these fish are nice, healthy, fat fish. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is just because I'm really curious, I'm gonna tie on a whopper plopper. I wasn't expecting it to be this warm of water, and the bite is really fire. And my favorite thing, my all-time favorite thing to throw is a whopper plopper. So we're tying on a whopper plopper. So, all right, well, I have a smaller whopper plopper tied on. Usually I have a bigger one on. Usually I have a bigger whopper plopper on, but I don't know. I feel like the smaller one could be pretty good. Again, I'm not even sure if they're even gonna want to bite on the whopper plopper. The water temperature is just really warm, and yep, right there. What did I tell you? Whopper plopper, baby. They're biting top water. Oh my. If I get hooked by this fish, I will not be very happy. See, this guy, right before I bow flipped him, he had a sharp turn. He got hooked in the side. He should be okay. I didn't have to rip the hook out, so. Jeez, why is my drag so loose? Here we go. Here's another one. On the whopper plopper. Check that out, guys. I just caught my second fish on the whopper plopper. This is just insane. Like, I don't understand. 2 weeks ago I came here, 45-degree water. 45-degree water. Now I am very pissed. I'm not gonna waste my time dealing with that, so yeah. This needs to be put away. My hat. Sorry to say that. It's right there. Nope. We're hooked up. We're hooked up. There's the fish, guys. Send him back. There's another fish right there. Sick. This jig is like toast though. Oh man, this trailer. Yeah, I need a new trailer. I lost an appendage. Why did I throw that? I'm such an idiot. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Oh well. Hey guys, in case you didn't know I'm an idiot, don't do what I do. I'm an idiot. Right there, see guys, this is what I'm using. These Strike King Rage Tails, these Menace Grubs. And because the regular Menace Grub is a little bit big, I like trimming it down a couple of appendages. Like that. Spread them appendages apart. There's another one hooked up. Boom, baby. This is a nicer fish. I keep saying they're nice, but they're literally the same size. There's another one. Oh, that's not what you want. That is actually, might be my, that's a longer fish, I think. A little bit longer, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Right there, there's another one. Pretty quality, healthy fish. There's another one. Next cast. Another one right there on that jig. I think he's over there. Oh, I got one. On pose lure. Yeah. On pose lure. Yeah. Oh, it's a nice one too. Not really. I saw it's better than mine. Oh man. Okay guys, so I wanted to throw some more topwater, right? And I haven't really thrown this all that much. It's a homemade lure that my cousin made me on his mini lathe. So yeah, Bo, if you're watching this, I caught a fish on your bait, so thank you for making me that. Also, he actually has a YouTube channel himself, guys. Go check it out. It's Bo Schumacher. I'll leave a link in the description. He has a couple videos about making some of these custom baits, so yeah, make sure you guys check him out. But yeah, he's made some trout baits.
Trout videos?
He does. Yeah, so Bo, thank you. Thank you for making me this bait. Just caught a fish on it. Right there. There we go. Hooked up. On the homemade lure again. I was walking the, oh, he popped off.
A little one though.
Yeah, it was just a little one. I was walking the dog.